Welcome back guys. So today we'll be discussing lead code problem number 129, some root to leaf numbers. So the problem statement is given a binary tree containing digits from 0 to 9. Each root to leaf path could represent a number. Okay, so then they have given an example is root to leaf path 1, 2, 3, which represents the number 1, 2, 3. So we need to find a total sum of all root to leaf numbers. So they have given a node. A leaf is a node with no children. We know that. So the example they have provided, this is a tree or this is a tree and the output of it is 25. So let's look at the explanation. So they say the root to leaf path is 1 to 2. So we'll be traversing, the route is 1, we'll traverse and we'll get to the leaf, all the leaves. So one in the path from root to leaf will, a path will be from 1 to 2 and the other path will be from root to leaf is 1 to 3. So that there will be only two numbers, that is 12 and 13, and after doing their sum the answer would be 25. And let's look at the second example. So they have given this tree 49051 and the output is 1026. So let's look the number which will be formed from root to leaf path. So one number would be 495, other would be 491, and the last one would be 40. And so we'll be doing their sum, and this would be the output. So we'll be applying here DFS technique. We'll be traversing the tree using the root node. Like example, from 1 we'll go to 4. But at the time of going to 4, what we'll do is we will change the value of 4 to 14. We'll be changing this value to 14. Means the value present here will be multiplied by 10 and added with this value. Now we'll move to the child of this and the same thing will be applying here. Now the value of this is 14, so 14 into 10, that is 140, plus the value present here 8, so 148. Now as we can see that there is no left child and right child of this node, so we'll return this value back. So we come back to 4, we see if it is having any right child. So it is not having any right child, so what we'll be doing is we'll be returning again this 148 back here. Now we have traversed the left tree, now time to traverse the right tree, right subtree. So from here we'll be going towards 5, applying the same that we have applied, changing this value, multiplying this 1 by 10 and adding it with this node value, so this will become 15. Now going to its left child, what we'll do is this value is 15 and 15 into 10 plus 6, that is 156. So now we can see it is having no left and no right child, so we'll be returning this 156 back to 5. Now we have traversed the left subtree of 5. Now we'll be going to the right subtree. So we move here and applying the same 15 into 10, that is 150 plus 7. So this node value will become 157. Now returning back this value. So now from the left subtree it is getting 156 and from the right it is getting 157. We'll add these values, 157, 3, 1, 3. So 313, we'll be getting 313 as this result. So here we add this, from here we have got, from the left subtree of 1 we have got 148 and from the right subtree we have got 313. So we'll add this and this will be our final answer. So how to do this? Now I'll be implementing the code of this. So let's go back. I'll be implementing in Java. First of all, we'll check if the root is null. So if the root is null, what will return is, will return 0. And if this is the leaf where, then we'll be returning it's simply the value present at that node. Like you can see here, if this were if we were here, then we'll return 148, the value present at this leaf. So check root, if the value, if the right, if it is not having any left or right child, then it is a leaf and we'll be returning its value. Now we need to traverse the left and the right. Before traversing, as I have said, before traversing, like when we were at 1, what we did was multiplied this node value with 10 and put it here by adding it with this value. So first check if the left child means it is having a left child. What we'll do is we'll modify this value, the value present at the left child. The node where we are present, multiply that value with 10 and go to left and add this value with the root. Now we'll be getting 14 as I have told you. Same goes for the right value. We'll check if there is a value present. So now at the last we'll be calling it left subtree and right subtree. So simply write return some numbers, call the left subtree, add it with some numbers, root dot right. I made a mistake here. It's numbers, not number. Let's run it and see if this runs or not. So it's accepted. Now let's submit it. I think I have done right. So accepted. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.